When you will create database, after that you have to create tables. How many tables will be in database? Here you have to give the name of the table, number of columns, how many columns would be in a table, then would click on Go. In the next step, it will ask you the names of every column, whatever name you want to give, CNIC, whatever. After assigning, when you will save it, then in customer table, all your columns will be created in which your data will be stored. As an example, I made a database with the name of test in that customers table and created 4 columns. CNIC, contact number, ID. In ID, I have done primary name. ID will be auto increment, means we don't have to change this. Database will assign it automatically. Admin, which is our software, it will do auto increment in ID automatically. After creating this comes the step of Python code. First, I imported one module, mysql.connector. With this, we will go to command prompt and install modules. When it will be successfully installed, then we have to create database connection. First, we have to create a connection with the MySQL. We will create any variable. Then the function of MySQL connector will be called. We have to pass it 4 arguments. First argument is user. Second is password. Third is host. Fourth is database name. My database name is test. User will always be root when you will establish it on localhost. Password will be empty when you will establish it on localhost. In host, localhost, and in database, name of database. If you have to consider it on a server, then username, password, the IP of host where you are deploying it. Here the IP will come and in the end the name of database. Your cursor will be available, which after evaluating every query, you will handle the placement of cell value. After successful creation of connection, I have written a message, which will be displayed after creation of connection. When I am going to run this, it gave me output. With the help of my SQL connector, the connection is made. Its object also. Our connection has been successful. It means our connection has been safely created, and we can install or delete any value in it.